Managing diabetes is all about balance. I've learned that monitoring my blood sugar levels is crucial. I check them regularly to understand how my body reacts to different foods and activities. Speaking of food, I focus on a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Portion control is key. I found that smaller, more frequent meals help keep my energy steady throughout the day. Exercise plays a vital role too. Just 30 minutes of walking daily can make a huge difference. It not only helps regulate my blood sugar but also lifts my mood. Staying hydrated is essential, so I make sure to drink plenty of water. And let's not forget about stress management. Practices like meditation or yoga help keep my mind clear and my body in check. By staying informed and proactive, I've turned diabetes management into a lifestyle, not a limitation.